guys, good morning. It is the start of the week. I am off today, so I am running a bunch of errands. I'm going to the grocery store right now. I told myself I'm going to be doing a quick, natural, fresh makeup look today, and look at me. This is not quick, fresh, and natural whatsoever, but I like the look. I love this look. I'm not even sure if you can see correct, but I'm obsessed with this. My favorite. Yeah, so I'm just gonna head over to Winco right now. I really need to get some breakfast foods, lunch foods, dinner foods, like I said, groceries, you know. I'm cooking. I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to teach myself, and I'm not the best cook, but I'm not the worst. I'm running a bunch of errands. I should be getting up 2 videos tonight, not even this afternoon, so be on the lookout. I mean, I guess this vlog's gonna go after this, but still, I'm excited. I just need better Wi-Fi, so once I do, I can post more often, whatever. But yeah, let me go. I gotta go right now. So this happened. I opened the trunk and my jam fell out. This is really upsetting, actually. Alright, so since I'm here, I'm just gonna do a quick little grocery haul. Over here, I got some green table grapes. I love these. I love the tanginess. They're my favorite. I picked up some mushrooms. And then I got some Go Veggie classic plain and cream cheese. I really like that to go on my morning bagels if I do decide to have bagels. And then I just picked up some sponges to clean the house. I got 2 limes, and then I got some coconut water from Goya, some chicken tenderloins because they're very easy to cook, very hard to burn. And then I got some honey butter biscuits from Pillsbury. I really love this. They have the layers, the best. I got some provolone cheese from Sargento, and then I got some black beans also from Goya. I picked up some berry medley frozen berry mix. It has strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I'm gonna put it all in my morning smoothies. I have some Owen Tot pork sausage. It's also good for my morning breakfast burritos and chorizo if I want to. Beef chorizo. And then I have some curly fries right here from Ore-Ida. I picked up a DiGiorno pizza, the self-raising crust. It's pepperoni and sausage. And then I also have this State Fair classic corn dog. It's just a 9-pack, just for me. Yeah, so that's all that I got. Honestly, if I went to Sephora, if I picked up a foundation and a concealer, that would have been so much more than all of this combined. I also got a jam, but that fell. Okay. So yeah, I had to run back out because I have to get some more stuff for dinner tonight. So, peace out. You want one? Well, you can't have one. Alright, so it is a very hot day today in Texas. It feels like 100 degrees, 150 degrees. I promise you, I am not kidding. It's supposed to be 100 for the next 3 to 4 days, which is very upsetting. I am going to be sweating a lot, but look at my face. I'm wearing a soft matte concealer and a soft matte foundation. And everything is holding up pretty good, but I'm looking really dewy, on my highlight points, which I like a lot. But yeah, this is actually a really good summer full coverage makeup look. Should I do a tutorial on it? What do y'all think? Alright, so my Sephora Play box just got here. I'm actually really excited. I didn't even know it was coming today. But I'm gonna unbox it. I haven't seen what's in there. So So yeah, this is exciting.
Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. And I have my 50 little bonus points when I buy full size. Purchase, I love these. These are actually the cutest things ever. And look at that, it's so adorable. So I'm guessing this is everything that comes in the box today. Ooh. Alright, so you're so tiny. This is from Chorus and Wild Rose. I'm guessing it is a lip oil. So that's interesting. And this is from Algenist. It's a liquid collagen. That's really interesting. And ignore that. That is taco seasoning from when I was cooking up my tacos over there. So let's just not. This is really interesting though. I can't wait to try that. I love skincare. And this is from Tarte. This is it's a lipstick. It looks like that. That's pretty actually. I am actually gonna wear that. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's real pretty. Excuse my horrible pronunciation, but I think this is called Biosense. And then a blush from Tarte, which I actually got last year from Ulta.
So you can have worry-free nights and wake up feeling fresh and free.
Are you sleepy?
Yeah, funny, isn't it? What's funny? Hey, Georgie.
I'm not supposed to take stuff from strangers.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown.
Guys, guess who's finally on time for work today? This girl right here. Yes, I'm always late, but today I'm on time. So let's go. Hey guys, so it's the next day, clearly. I'm gonna tell y'all how I quit my job yesterday. So, you know, the other day I vlogged it. I came in, I was happy, I was on time. And so, you know, I clocked in, I went to the back, got my walking and stuff, went back to the front of the store so I can, you know, start the day. So I go to like one of the registers to see like what slide I'm gonna be on today. All in the meantime, I was talking to my girl and she was like, somebody told me you quit. I was like, what? No. I was like, you're tripping. Like, I definitely did not quit today. Like, what are you talking about? She's like, yeah, I heard that you quit today. I was like, no. Like, needless to say, like, I was chilling all morning. Like, nothing like that even crossed my mind. So I was like, they're crazy. Like, my name, I think they just kind of, you know, forgot my name somehow. And so, I'm at the front, we're talking. And so I call my manager up, and let's just call him Steven. So I called Steven, I was like, hey, Steven, can you come up here to this side? I need to talk to you. And so, like, he comes over. He does one of these, like, come here, like, okay, like, that never happens. Usually, you know, just come up and chat and, you know, go on my date. But no, he's waving me over. I'm like, he never, ever does that. So I found out so weird. I was like, oh, I'm having a heart attack. Like, in my mind, I was like, oh my god, what's happening? Oh, like, am I getting fired today? I'm like, show me and quit. I'm like, am I getting fired? Like, I didn't do anything. He's like, all right, so let's talk. I'm like, let's talk. Okay. Like, yeah, my name's not on the schedule. He's like, well, other manager, let's call her Angela. Like, Angela told me that you quit this morning. I was like, no, that wasn't me. He's like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, I'm sure. It definitely was not me. Like, I need my hours. You know, gossip goes around real quick. I was just like put on blast, like, oh my god. Like, I was like, am I getting fired? He's like, no, you're good. He's like, it's the other Megan, the truck Megan. I was like, truck Megan? Like, what are you? I'm like, are you calling me a truck? It's like, no, a girl that works on the truck. I was like, oh, okay. And so, you know, I've never met this other Megan. My other coworkers never met this other Megan, except, like, you know, the people that work on that department.
And so I was just like, what the fuck? I was like, in my mind, like, I'm just tripping balls. I was like, okay, so like, do I work today? Cause like, you know, I was scheduled, and y'all over here giving my hours away to my friend right here. She's like, yeah, just go to the other side. I'll take care of it. So Steven took care of that. He told all the managers that it wasn't me that quit, it was the other people that quit, and everybody's just laughing. I was like, oh my god, like, y'all are a trip. Like, I was like, can I get a raise since y'all are trying to fake fire me? Over here, he's like, ha ha ha, no. I tried it though, you know, it doesn't hurt. Apparently another girl named Megan fired that same morning, and then my managers took me out of the shift and they gave my hours away to my friend. You know, I worked like every day except 2 days, and so they had like availability sheet like in the back, so if anybody wanted those hours, they can have them. Those are my hours. They really were trying to give away my hours, like all before I came in. Like my replacement, she came in before I got there. I was like, what? Okay. So that's the story how I quit my job, which I didn't. I'm still salty, I'm not gonna lie about, like, it gets me heated just thinking about like they really replaced me so quickly. But okay, I see how it is, and you know, I'm not even gonna say any more about that. That's anyways, I am about to go upload these videos that I told y'all I was gonna upload days ago, but I'm leaving now. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.